Okay, I wanted to make a video to show how I've been recording and adding the little interpreter bubble using Zoom. So the way that I do it is I go to pull up Zoom. I create a meeting just for myself. And then I share my screen. Well, I already have the video pulled up, so we'll just use this one as an example. So I have the video pulled up on my Chrome. So then when in the meeting, I share the screen to myself and I click on Google Chrome or whatever your browser is, I guess. So now I'm sharing it to myself. This will be the interpreter bubble where I will be interpreting. Right now I can move it around, but no matter where I put it, once the video is actually like finished, it'll always pin me to the top right corner. So I go ahead and just move it to the top right. And then depending on what the content is that I'm interpreting over, is how big or small I will make my interpreter bubble. So I'll probably do about that size, be a little bit bigger. So that way, so that's what it'll look like all at the end. So once I am ready to interpret, then I go up here, and if we hover over this, all these little drop down options will show up. I click more, and then there's one that says record, and so I click that. And it's okay if you're like not quite ready when you hit record to actually start interpreting, because there's an option or there's a way that you can trim the video after you're done. So then I would start the video.
Screaming, terrified squeals, hordes of feet. It's the apocalypse.
I don't even know what this video
You know this
is about.
music, but science thinks we've got the tempo all wrong.
Anyways, the audio from the video will pick up on the recording. So as long as you can hear it, it'll be in the recording. So then, I interpret, okay, I'm done. Then I would go up here again to more. I would hit stop recording. And then there's also an option to end the meeting as well. So I would end the meeting completely, and then this should pop up where it says converting meeting recording. So this will probably, if it's a longer video, it'll take longer, but so far I've made like 12-minute videos and it's taken a while to convert, but it does it. And so don't be afraid or don't be worried that if it's a really long one that it might not do it. So then once it's done converting, it'll pop up in your folders. This is where if you have a Mac, I know that this option is available. I don't know if it's available if you have another type of computer, like a Chromebook. But if you have a Mac, you can double click on it, bring up these options, scroll down to quick actions, and then there is a trim option. And it'll bring up your video, and then you're able to trim off the first part if there's like some awkward delay between starting the video or starting recording and then actually start interpreting. And then same thing at the very end, you can trim off whatever, if there's any extra that you were recording after you were done interpreting. So that way it's a pretty clear-cut video of just start interpreting and interpreting. And so once you're done trimming, you can hit done. I just go ahead and replace it because I don't know why I would need 2 of these videos. Click X out of that. And then obviously you can like rename it and things, and then move it around to wherever you want to keep all your videos. If it's a longer video, I tend to go and upload it to YouTube, but then have it as unlisted, so that only people with the link can see that video. So that's what I do for like the longer, like 10 or 12 minute videos. Sometimes even the 5-minute videos are too long to attach in an email. But that way, if it's unlisted, I can just get a shareable link and then copy that link into an email and send it off to either the TOD, the client's mom or dad, or whoever I'm sending it to. So anyways, that is how I make add an interpreter bubble and kind of work around sending large videos to people and to our clients, our kiddos.